Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can open and manage sound settings in Samsung Dishwasher DW60R7050FS. So in the first step, turn on your dishwasher and hold the auto button for a few seconds to open the settings mode. The clock shows 000, so we are in the settings mode. Now just tap on the once again. Now tap on the lower rack button, and there we have a U1, so that means we are the sounds turned on. So if you want to change it, tap on it and hold the auto button again. Now it's U0, so we disable the sounds of your dishwasher. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.